Hello guys, welcome back to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. If this is your first time, karibu sana. So remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. So on this episode we are learning how to cook some soft layered chapatis. So stay tuned as we start the video. Remember to comment, like and also share. For our ingredients today, we have some wheat flour, 750 grams. We have some here. We also will need sugar, some warm water, that is 1.5 cups, some salt and oil. Okay, for sugar and salt, there are people who don't use either sugar or salt. You can use yenye uko comfortable nayo. So I'll just start. I'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, some salt, and then I mix. Ensure that you've mixed well. You put salt and sugar to taste if you like them both. If you don't like sugar in your chapati, you put salt to taste. Ama if you're the one mwenye anapenda sukari to be most, you put to taste. Yes. Then after this, I add some few drops of oil kwa unga yangu. Ensure you mix them well. After that, I come in with my water. Naongeza tu kidogo. Remember, my water is warm. I'll show you the next recipe ya chapati where you're using cold water. Make your flour to mix well with your water. Let me show you the final. If it is almost ready. That's how it looks like. Ensure that your flour is not sticking on your hands. And you make a very soft dough that will not be hard to roll. Mine is ready, as you can see. Very ready. So I'll just add a few drops of oil. This is to soften it. Finally, here is our dough. It's ready. I'll just cover it and allow it to rest for some few minutes. Then we prepare it with your tablecloth or your paper. Here is our dough. As you can see, it's very soft. Inajitandaza tu, it's like that. So we'll start by making balls. So as you can see, our dough is very soft. So tutatengeneza 2 balls, your preferred size. Your preferred size. Kama unapenda ikiwa nono, konde, yes, your perfect size. As you can see, it's very good. Okay, my dough has rested for about 15 minutes. Yes, you can rest it for 15 to 30 minutes. I've already made my balls, they are ready. So our next step is so simple. Let me show you. Okay, on this step we are rolling out the balls, and then after rolling them tuna apply mafuta. So let me take you through. Like that. Then I apply some oil. Enough oil. We're making the best chapatis and layered. So the rest of this oil ni kufanya the chapati be soft and layered. Then I fold it one step at a time. I put a little bit extra oil. After that, I hope you see, I enlarge it. This is to make sure that all the oil imeingiana, and then fold it this way. Then set it aside. Next ball, same procedure. Same procedure. Upake quarter. Ensure you've spread all over. Before folding it. Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect in this process, a perfect circle. So sijipe pressure. Like that. Then naivuta ndio mafuta ingie. Then fold it like that. Same procedure with the other balls. Our balls, as you can see, they are all ready. Now we head to the next step of rolling them out. Not chapatis. As you can see, bado layers zinaonekana huku, so can imagine when they're cooked penye itaka. They're not perfectly circle, but you can make yours very perfect. So they look like that. On to our next step. Oh, sasa hapa ndo jambo, mambo yapo. Ni jambo ama ni mambo? Yes. You allow it to cook for 30 seconds. Then turn it. next chapati. 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other side. As you're rolling others. It's ready. Coming with my oil like that. It's a bit hot. You turn to make sure that the oil is spreading all over the chapati. Wow. I hope you're liking what you see. Like that. I hope you're liking it. Just try it and then tell me how your chapatis zimetokea. I'll appreciate. Wow, mnajionea? Just comment down below, niambie kama unazipenda, kama utajaribu. It's so simple and easy. We are now ready. This is the same process for the remaining chapatis. Here we are, our last step. Oh my, I hope you're liking what you see. Yes, and that's it. That's it for our chapatis for this recipe. I hope you liked it. Yes, comment down below kama utajaribu. Yes, and tell me the results, your recipe. Yes, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and also sharing. Till next time, bye bye.